Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create all film effect using Filmora X. I watched some tutorial on YouTube about other software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and I think why they need to make it that so difficult like that. So you want to create this effect, it is very simple in Filmora X. Okay, let's go to the software. I will show you how. Okay, so this is my example timeline. So I have everything already exported, so I will show you the final video at the end of this tutorial. Okay, so just some explanation here. The first thing, the background music is okay, but I love this background music. Maybe you can download it. I will put the link in the description. I downloaded from YouTube library, and it is chill, and so I think it's nice. Okay, this is just an outdoor ambient sound. It's okay, and this is my my video. So actually, this is not my old video. It's just a video that I shot last Saturday when I was in a camping area with my kids. So just some shot with my Canon 800D. Okay, and here we have a crop. So this crop effect will let you crop all the timeline. So it's crop all the clip at the same time. So that is the first effect. And the second one, extremely dirty film, also in the effect area. Okay, and vintage edge process. This is a 3D LUT, so we use to change the look of your video. Okay, and finally we have a silent film effect, another effect, because let's play it. As you see here, so you see some grainy things and dirty things on the film. That is silent film. And this is the crop effect that we create a black bar on our video. Okay, so I will explain in detail later. Okay, let's delete everything on the timeline except the audio. Okay, so I will lock the audio, and I will keep the video because I don't want to split and merge the video again. Okay, so I will keep the video, and let's delete all the effect because that's what you are going to add to your video. Let's delete all of them. Okay, so now we have here, let's mute the audio. I don't want to hear the audio now. Okay, so this is just, let's play it. Okay, so you see here, this is just a 16:9 aspect ratio video, so it is normal, right? So in order to crop your video, I want to crop it right here to change the aspect ratio, because normally all film or all movie will have the 4:3 aspect ratio, or sometimes it's 1:1 square video. By the way, it's up to you to change the aspect ratio of your whole project. It's very simple. You go to File and then go to Project Setting, and then you can change the aspect ratio right here. So it is very simple, but that will change the whole video. So the whole video aspect ratio. Now we only want to make just a fake aspect ratio, something like that. So we need to use the crop tools. Okay, let's unlock this video file. For one clip, you can simply click the clip and then select this crop tools. That is very easy. Just select this one and then you adjust it, this line, this blue lines, to adjust the crop area. You can also change the aspect ratio here. For example, if you want to change it to 4:3, you can change it here. So that is let's go to 4:3. But I'm not going to do that because we can add crop effect for all the clip on the timeline, right? And we're going to cancel it. But before adding crop effect, I want to have something as a sample. So I need a sample aspect ratio. Let me do it so that you can follow. I will go to sample color. So I pick any color here. I will drag and drop it on the timeline. So this just I'm going to use this image as a sample. I don't know if I call it right. So let's crop it to 4:3 aspect ratio, for example. So we are going to select it and then go to crop tools, and now we change the aspect ratio to 4:3. All right, so we have a 4:3 video, right, like this, and we just use it as a sample. Okay, let's click OK. Now it will crop to this area. Okay, the second thing, we go to effect, and then we add the utility folder. Okay, we find this one, that is crop effect. Now we drag and drop it on top of our video. Okay, like this. Right, so this is the first one. And now we need to adjust the crop, the side, the left side and right side of the crop effect. We're going to double click on that, and here we have the left and right side. So we need to adjust the crop area until it meets this line, so it will become 4:3 aspect ratio. I hope it makes sense, right? And now we adjust the left first. You see the line on the left, right? Okay, so 14, no, 14. I think 14 is the one that we need for the left. And for the right, we do the same. I'll just slowly slide it. Okay, so 13, maybe 13, not 14. Okay, now we have the crop area, right? We can hide this one and see. Okay, here we have this one, and also we need maybe to blur the edge a little bit. So we're going to check on this box. Okay, and then we click OK. Now we have the crop video, and now we can delete this one, delete this image. Okay, so perfect, right? And now we want to crop all the video on the timeline. So we just select this crop effect and then extend it to the whole timeline. That's easy, right? And now we have all the effect here for all the crop area, right? Now the second thing, we need to add the dirty frame effect, right? And we are still in the effect tab, and then we go to overlay. Okay, at the overlay we have an old film folder. Here we have 9 different old film effect right here, so we are going to use one of them. You can use very dirty film or extremely dirty film. Okay, so I'm going with extremely dirty film. Let's drag and drop it. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, it's dirty. Okay, and also we need to extend it to the whole timeline. And okay, and the third one, we need to add a black I don't know how to call it, but I add this one, silent film. So I want to create a vignette effect or something. It's just black at the corner and around the video. Okay, so we add this silent film, or you can also select this silent film number 2. Add this one on top, right? And extend it to the whole timeline. Okay, and okay, so this is a black one, there's black effect around your video, but we can reduce it by double click on the effect, double click on the effect, and then adjust the alpha. So I want to have it around here, but it's your choice, you can do it yourself. Okay, and click OK. And finally we need to add a LUT to that, and we are still in the same video effect folder, and then we have a LUT here. So we have the vintage X preset, this one, and we can drag and drop it on top and extend it to the whole timeline. Okay, and that's finished. So that is how you can create old film effect like what you are seeing now. Okay, this one. I think it's nice, right? So finally you need to export the video, okay? So if you're using Filmora 10, it just export it. But if you don't have Filmora 10 on your computer, just go ahead to the link in the description. You can download it and also use my discount coupon code to save you 20% when you purchase Filmora 10 lifetime license. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.